Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to be unboxing and then mostly demoing for you this really cool kickstand case. This is a very unique kickstand case from a company called Longciyu. I think I'm saying that right. That's how I'm going to say it anyway. So let's take the case out of the box. Now, this particular case that I have is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Because that is what I have. This case is also available for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro, the 12 regular, the 12 mini, all those. And at the time of this video, it's available for the 13 Pro Max. In the future, it could likely also be available for other 13 models, but right now it's for the 13 Pro Max. Now you can see it is a clear TPU case. It is a nice, soft TPU case, and we're going to do the clear test real quick. I'm going to hold this all the way up to the lens, and then hold my hand out in front. Now, of course, you're going to see some reflection of the light maybe on the case, but you can see how crystal clear that is. And this is a non-yellowing material, so it's not going to turn yellow on you in the next over the course of a few weeks the way some of the cheaper ones do. This is a really high quality case, and you can see it's got these reinforced corners, these extra reinforced corners to make sure you get the padding you need in case of a drop. And then you've got that kickstand built in there. You've got raised lips. So let's get it on my phone, because that's really what's going to tell you how it is and help you see it the way you need to see it. Let me get it on there nice and good. All right, so there you go. Like I said, crystal clear. You can see that nice gray color of my phone through there without any issues. And then on the side here, you can see it's got that kind of this cool diamond pattern effect on the sides. I like that. It's very unique looking. And then in the corners, you've got that also on the tops. On the bottom you don't, because on the bottom you've got your cutouts. But on the corners, now that it's in the case, you can kind of see how it's raised on the corners to give you extra cushion in case of a drop on the corner. Also, looking at the phone screen, you can see you've got that slightly raised lip there. So if you sit your phone down flat, it's not going to be touching the screen. The screen's not going to be touching the table because you've got that slightly raised lip. On the back, same thing, slightly raised lip that protects those camera bumps. So you've got that. And fairly compact. You've got your cutouts for your vibration. Easy to access that. No problem at all. For your volume rockers, those are easy as well. Over on the other side for your power button, no problem with that. And then again, the cutouts on the bottom for the speaker and the lightning port. No problem at all. Those are all nice and perfect. So now let's demo this cool kickstand. And this is a very unique kickstand. You've got so many different levels. So you've got that level, so you can set it like that. You've got this level, so that you can set it like that. You've got this level, so that you can actually set it like that, sort of suspended in air, if you will. So that's what's cool about this. It's not a one thing. It's got several different levels. So you can see in the demo video that I'm going to cut to, you can see all these different ways that you can set this at different angles. And that makes for very, very unique kickstand options. But what I love the most is the suspended, is the fact that you can put this up and suspend it so that it's raised up, so it's like nice and eye level, which is really, really, really cool. So it's a very versatile kickstand, but then it completely folds in and still easy to hold the phone. Like, I have no problem holding that phone. The bump of the kickstand is not really that much more than the bump of the camera. Of course, that is in your palm, but it doesn't, you know, the Pro Max is a big phone already anyway. It doesn't really feel that much bigger or bulkier. I feel that bump back there, but still easy to hold, still easy to one hand operate. Fingers kind of hold over there. So you've got this nice great case. It gives you the protection you want, but at the same time, you also got this really cool kickstand that gives you additional functionality. Great for use if you're working on a computer and you want your phone there beside you, you want to be able to see it. Or if you're watching a movie, you can set it up, and especially being able to have that suspension mode so that it's not so flat down, it's higher up. Then having those different modes of the kickstand is just really, really cool. I'm very impressed with this case by Longciyu. I love the design, sort of the cool little diamond pattern on the side. Gives it a very unique look. The reinforced corners are a little different than the traditional kind, which I like. All the buttons work. The raised lip is going to give you the protection you want and need, but then you also got that cool kickstand built in to give you really unique functionality. So I'm impressed. I think it's a really, really great case by Longciyu. If you're looking for a case that has a kickstand built into it and gives you a lot of different functionality with the kickstand, then this is definitely a product that you should take a look at. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, you share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to favorite my playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.